Good morning, guys. Hey, it's Tasha. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be taking you guys shopping. We're going to do some planting and gardening today, right, Gray? Yeah. He wants to buy some red flowers, so we're going to look for some red flowers and see what other kinds of flowers we can get. And then we're going to start on our gardening and putting in our flowers and our seeds for the season. We are so excited, so we're going to bring you guys along with us. So let's go.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Say, let's go.
Let's go.
All right. We're in.
Yeah.
We got in.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all the beautiful flowers. Did we get in to see the beautiful flowers?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna pick some out, right? We're gonna pick out some beautiful, colorful flowers. Which color do you want again?
I red.
You want red flowers? All right, let's pick some red flowers out. Come on.
This is red flower.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get a shopping cart and we'll get those ones. What other colors should we get? Look at these nice pink ones. Those are beautiful. Okay, hold on. Oh, see the lines? So that means we have to go this way and follow the lines?
Yeah.
That's right.
More lines. Well, here go this way.
Yeah, we have to go this way.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Through the water. Okay, get the one you like. Get down. Pop down. Pick the one you like. You want that one? Okay, put it on the cart. Good job. That one's beautiful. You want one more of those ones? You gonna pick that one? Do you want help?
Yeah. Oh God.
Whoa, that one's kind of stuck. Oh, maybe this one.
Yeah.
Here. Put that one on the cart. We're all done now?
Yeah.
We got all the flowers we need?
Yeah.
All right.
That's good.
Yeah, we got a lot of pretty colorful flowers. Now we're gonna go home and plant them, right? Good job. Put it, you could just put it right here. Let's dig it deeper. Bigger, bigger, bigger. And then we're gonna put these pretty purple flowers in there. Good job. Is that deep enough? All right, so now that's okay. Now put your shovel down. Mommy's gonna give you the flowers. Okay. Okay. Now put it in the hole. Oh, good job. Which color do you want to do next?
I do purple again.
Okay, pick which one. Pick it, grab it. You want this one?
Yeah, purple.
All right, that one's a beautiful purple color. Here you go. guys, I know we said we get really cold winters, which we do, but we also get really hot summers, and we kind of just skipped right through spring, and now we are full swing into summer, and it is so hot right now doing this. Oh my goodness. I am sweating, I'm dying.
That's my favorite flower.
Which one do you want to do? Green beans or cucumbers now?
I do cucumber.
You want to do cucumbers? Okay. So, this is our cucumber section right here. So we're just going to do 2 rows of cucumbers. Do you want to help me?
Yep.
We have to dig the rows half an inch deep. So we have to do 1 row here and 1 row here.
I do it.
Are you helping? Good job. Grab the seeds. We're almost ready. Grab the seeds. Okay, so now we have to open those.
I do.
You can open it. Here, come on, let me help you. First seed.
And just go.
Okay, ready? Okay, this is the row. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle a couple. Sprinkle very sparingly. I think. Hold your hand and sprinkle in this row right here. Okay. Good job. You want to do some more? Here, mommy give you more? Good one. Here, you want a couple more? There, so sprinkle a couple here as you go. Oh, good one. Says we have to do 1 inch deep. So we're gonna put this down. Are you gonna help me? You're gonna bury it?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Here's your next one. So your next one's gonna go right there. Good. boy. Here, wait.
Oh.
And right here.
Oh. It was broken.
Let me see. That's okay. Your hair's in the tree.
Oh.
Alright, so the next one is gonna go right there. Good job. Where's your next one gonna go? Right there? Good boy. And then one more at the end. Now bury it. Good job.
Where's Daddy going?
Daddy's getting more wood. Is it nice and warm? You like the fire? Did you have a nice warm bath? Yeah. Brian, say hi.
Hi.
We have to burn all these branches because that's all the stuff that we cut down. Is that your friend?
Yep.
You love him?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh my god. Oh. Be careful. We have to clean up the fire pit. This is our first fire of the year, so we haven't quite finished cleaning the yard yet, but it'll get there. Run! Run, Onyx! Are you gonna get him?
Yeah.
Catch him! He ran away. He's so fast. Are you having fun? Run, Onyx! Here.
Onyx, come here. Onyx, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
So now we're just gonna have a nice fire before Gray goes to bed. He just had a nice warm bath, and then we're gonna put him to bed and we're just gonna relax for the rest of the night.